Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to draw a footing detail. Alright, let's get into it. First off, we draw the footing. R-E-C. Enter. And this time, it is a footing. And if you see my videos, you know that the footing is 450 by 200. Yeah, 200. 200, enter. Then offset, O-F, enter. Yeah, through 25, enter. Then circle, contact radius. If I'm going too fast, guys, you could just replay the video. No, actually, you could just you can slow down the video because sometimes I go really fast. Right there, and then circle again from here. No. See, enter. 2 key. Click there. Go up. And turn on artful. Go up. 13. See the diameter. After that, we're going to draw a line from here to there. enter, escape. enter, there, there, there. Then click here, and that's how we draw the footing, guys. Next, we're gonna draw the wall. The wall? No. After we can draw, use our hatch. Or go to your hatch layer. Hatch. Go to hatch. Right, this icon right here. Make sure it's on solid. Click here. Click there. And click there. Escape. Actually, no, don't escape. Go back there again. Then click that. I think AR sound would be good. That's good. There's this little dot right there. And that's where you draw the wall. Right, you see, enter. There. The wall could be 150 of any length you want. I'll say of 1,000. Actually, 2,000. 2,000. Enter. Move. Enter. Move. Click this place point right there. And yeah. Now, from here, I'm going to draw a line up 1,000. Enter. After that, it should line up with this one right here. So now, I'm going to draw a line from here up right there. Escape. And I'm going to offset. Sit right there. Go offset. Okay. Just use through. Click there. Go up. About Earth. Earth should be about 300. Go up 300. After that, we're gonna go up, and the hardcore should be about 100. So offset again. Through enter. Click there. Go up 100. Enter. Oh no. I think slightly. Wait. No, this is 300. Sorry, guys. I'll say this is 300. 100, 100, low, up, 100. And the speed should be 50. Go. And you're done. I'm not done yet. After that, you can delete this line since I do not need it no more. And I'm gonna eat one of these yummy, and juicy oranges right here. So I may not able to be talk right now. And then after that, now we're gonna do REC enter right there, down here. And once again, I'm gonna eat this juicy orange. Alright. After that, I'm going to hatch, which are we already on our top layer. Here, go down here. And I'm going to try to look for Earth right here. Click there. That's correct. I'm on vacation. That. Go to hatch again. Click this down. Gravel. Click there. And then that one is screen, which is probably just a point of dots. So I'm gonna use sand. Where is sand? No, that's slab. Slab I think is concrete. No, it's sand. Then this one should be. I think this one should be sand again. I think sand. Yeah, sand for both of them. And now, if you think you're done, you're actually not done yet. From right there, go draw a line. No, you do SP. No. Actually, you are gonna draw a line. About 1,000. Enter. Escape. Okay, that's way too short. 1,000. Enter. Escape. Oh wait, I think I accidentally did 100. And once again, guys, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna drink this juicy orange. Okay, never mind. Next, we're gonna do SPL. Enter. There. Actually, I'm just gonna do a hatch. So I'm gonna create my own hatch because I don't have like appropriate radius so I can put my earth. So I'm just gonna make my own earth. Just gonna make my no. Where there should be popping up. Should be a thing popping up. Or I could just use rectangle. And probably like about right there. Then I can use my hatch again. Hatch. I'm gonna use earth. Earth. Click there. And that is it for today's. Actually, no, I'm not. That's not it. we are going to add our we're gonna add our no, we're gonna add our dimension. Yeah, dimension. Right there. Enter key. Let's see. Enter. Perfect. And guys, if it you don't have to do this. That's if it doesn't connect from like probably this one right here. Look at that here. Or maybe I should upgrade the scale. Yeah, I'm gonna upgrade the scale to 100. Oh, no, that won't definitely not work. Yeah, 4 will do for now. 5. I wonder if 5 will drop. Yeah, 5 will do the job. Nah, 5. 5. The heck? I don't know what happened. Hold on a sec, guys. Alright. Okay. Now we're gonna add our dimension to see if our dimension is actually correct. Alright. So go to your dimension layer. Linear. And I'll use this point there, which is 150, which it should be 150. There, 450, which is correct. If you got 450, congrats. 200 pounds. And then from right here to there, which is 100, which I think it should be. Here, there, 50, and yeah, 50 is good. 50 is not good. It's just correct. Alright. And I'm wondering, oh yeah, the height. Nope. Linear. Click here. Click from there. Which is 1,000, which is correct. Alright guys, now we're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this banger video. Please consider like and subscribe. I hope you guys have a really good day. You guys are the best. Bye.